Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Sarah. You look sleepy today.
Yeah, a little. I went to bed late last night,
Really? What time did you sleep?
around midnight.
Oh, that's late.
Yes, I usually sleep earlier.
What time do you normally wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. every weekday.
That's a good time.
What about you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
I like quiet mornings.
Me too. I enjoy the morning when everything is calm.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Same here.
Then I make coffee.
I can't start my day without coffee.
Haha, me too.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, usually.
What do you eat?
Sometimes eggs and toast, sometimes cereal.
Sounds nice.
What about you?
I usually eat bread, cheese, and tomatoes.
That sounds healthy.
Try to eat healthy food in the morning.
That's a good habit.
Do you get ready quickly?
Not really. I'm slow in the morning.
Haha. Me too sometimes.
I usually take a shower, dry my hair, and choose my clothes.
Choosing clothes takes time.
Yes. Sometimes I change my outfit 3 times. I never know what to wear.
Really? I usually wear simple clothes.
Lucky you.
Do you listen to music in the morning? I usually listen to the news.
Sometimes. Calm music helps me wake up. That's smart.
Then I leave home around 7:30.
How do you go to work? I take the bus.
I take the train. Yes, it's crowded, especially in the morning.
About 20 minutes. No, it's okay. I usually look at my phone or listen to music.
That's not bad. I like looking outside the window.
Morning traffic makes me tired.
Same here.
What time do you start work?
At 8:30 a.m.
Me too.
Are your coworkers friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
That's important.
What do you usually do first at work?
I check my emails and make a to-do list.
I do the same thing.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but some days are stressful.
I understand.
What about you?
My job is busy, but I like it.
Busy days make time go faster.
That's true.
Do you drink coffee at work too?
Of course. Maybe too much coffee.
Haha. Same here.
How many cups do you drink?
Maybe 3 cups.
Wow.
I know. It's a lot.
Try to drink more water now.
That's healthier.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Salad, sandwiches, or rice.
Sounds nice.
What about you?
Usually chicken and vegetables.
Very healthy again.
I'm trying to live better.
That's great.
Do you eat lunch alone?
Sometimes, but usually with coworkers.
Lunch breaks are important.
Yes, I need a break during the day.
Same,
Afternoons are tiring.
especially around 3 p.m.
Yes, I always feel sleepy then.
Me too.
Sometimes I want another coffee.
Uh-huh, same problem.
What time do you go home?
Around 5:30. Same, I'm always tired after work.
Me too. What do you do when you get home? First, I sit down and relax for a few minutes.
Same here. Do you enjoy cooking?
A little. I usually cook pasta, soup, or chicken. What about you?
I like easy meals. Rice, noodles, or vegetables. Nice and simple.
You cook every day? Same. Sometimes I order food when I'm tired.
Cooking after work is hard. Very hard sometimes.
What do you do after dinner?
Usually watch TV or YouTube.
What kind of videos?
Travel videos mostly.
Nice.
What about you?
I watch English videos sometimes. I want to improve my English more.
That's a great way to practice. Your English is already good.
Thank you.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and drawing. It is relaxing.
That sounds relaxing. I enjoy walking and listening to music.
Music helps me relax too.
Do you exercise?
Not often, but I want healthier habits.
Me neither. Small steps are important.
Yes, I want a peaceful and healthy life.
Same here.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30.
That's good.
I try not to sleep late.
I need to sleep earlier.
Sleep is important.
Definitely.
Do you use your phone before bed?
Sometimes.
Me too.
But I try to stop.
Quiet nights help me relax.
too. Calm evenings make me happy.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I clean my apartment and relax. Sometimes I meet friends for coffee.
Sounds peaceful. What about you? I wake up late and make a big breakfast. Sometimes I go to the park. Fresh air makes me feel better.
I also enjoy staying home and watching movies. Relaxing weekends are the best.
Life can be busy sometimes, but small, happy moments are important. Good sleep, good food, peaceful mornings.
And coffee. Thanks for talking with me today. Good night, Mark.
Of course, anytime. Good night, Sarah.